Professor R. Radha Krishna garu. I invite Professor K. Vijay Babu garu, please.
Thank you very much for the wonderful opportunity to introduce one of the awardees of this day, Professor R. Radhakrishna Rokkam, perhaps the senior most academician in our region, and his biodata runs more than 16 pages, which was given to me, but I tried to condense it into 6 pages last night. I don't know how far I am able to present this. I will try to present only the highlights of the biodata. Very interesting and very inspiring to all the young students here, particularly academicians. Professor Radhakrishna Rokkam is at present is chairman of Center for Economic and Social Studies, Begumpet, Hyderabad. Date of birth October 10th, 1942. 1942, the Quit India movement. Place of birth Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. Educational qualifications: MA Economics, MSc Statistics, Andhra University. PhD Economics, Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, Pune University. Areas of specialization: Indian economy, food security, nutrition, poverty, employment, applied econometrics. I repeat: Indian economy, food security, nutrition, poverty, employment, applied econometrics. Professional career: Chairman, Institute of Development Studies, Andhra Pradesh. Chairman, Center for Economic and Social Studies, Hyderabad. Council member, Indian Council of Social Science Research. Chairman, National Statistical Commission, Government of India. Chairperson, Madras Institute of Development Studies, Chennai. ICSSR Jawaharlal Nehru National Fellow. And Vice Chancellor, Indira Gandhi Institute of Development Research, Mumbai, a deemed university established by Reserve Bank of India. Vice Chancellor, Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Professor, Center for Economic and Social Studies, Hyderabad. Member Secretary, Indian Council of Social Science Research, ICSSR, and Minister of Human Resource Development, Government of India, New Delhi. And Director, Center for Economic and Social Studies, Hyderabad. Professor and Head Department of Economics, University of Hyderabad. Visiting Fellow, University College of Wales, United Kingdom. Professor, Sardar Patel Institute of Economic and Social Research, Ahmedabad. Senior Research Fellow, Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, Pune. And the awards: President of several socio-economic associations of India. Not less than 20. It is very difficult to read out. And recipient of Telugu Atma Gaurav Puraskaram from Government of Andhra Pradesh in 1998 for his eminence in social science research. And recipient of V.K.R.V. Rao Prize for the year 1986. And President of Indian Society of Agriculture Marketing, Hyderabad. And several assignments and membership with international organizations. And they are World Bank and its activities in Afghanistan and other Afro-Asian countries, several Afro-Asian countries on behalf of the World Bank and UNESCO, and Asian Development Bank, and Indo-Dutch Program, Indo-China, Indo-Vietnam, Indo-North Korea, Indo-French, Indo-Russian, and he has been associated with several development programs in all these countries on behalf of the World Bank and Asian Development Bank, and in Australia, in Canada, and so on and so forth. And chairmanship of government committees, several committees of Government of India, Chairman Committee on Pooling of NSS Central and State Samples, National Statistical Commission, Chairman Expert Group on Farmers, Indebtedness, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, Chairman Working Group on Poverty Elimination Programs, 11th 5-year Planning Commission of India, and membership in committees and constituted by the government around 25 commissions. He has been associated with the Government of India commissions on development activities. And academic assignments: Chairman Indian Association of Social Sciences Institutes and Chairman Board of Trustees Center for Development Alternatives Hyderabad, corresponding editor Journal of Asian Economics and North Holland, founder member Center for Economic and Social Studies Hyderabad, member governing body Madras Institute of Development Studies Madras, And similarly, we have a not less than one-page list of the journals and other developmental activities he has been associated with. And editorial advisory board member, IASSI Quarterly, Indian Association of Social Science Institute. Editorial board member, Indian Economic and Journal, Indian Economic Association. Chief editor, Anveshik, Journal of Sardar Patel Institute of Economic and Social Science Research. And participation in important conference and joint commission, who have not less than a list of 20 organizations. For presidential address he has given, and several keynote address he has given, and several inaugural address he has given. One among them is inaugural address delivered at the database seminar organized by EPW Research Foundation, Mumbai. And monographs, nearly 20 monographs and books he has published, and research papers, around 20-25 research papers in international reputed journals, and research papers in national level, around 100 research articles on different aspects of Indian economy and developmental programs. And research guidance, areas of research guidance is consumer behavior, levels of living and poverty, agricultural commodity markets, price mechanism and policy intervention on modernization of agriculture. These are the areas on which he has guided the scholars. And PhDs awarded under his guidance 25 and MPhils 10. That's how he has contributed a lot to the academics of this country from economic point of view, and he has been associated with several developmental activities on behalf of the Government of India, RBI, Ministry of Planning and HRD, and also World Bank and the UNESCO, and also Asia Development Bank, so on and so forth. Thank you for the opportunity, and we are very proud to present our Chancellor Award to sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sir, please join. Sir, please join.
ऊपर जी आप भी आइए सर
Please watch it, how nice it is. How nice it is. So fantastic, correct? వారికి సన్మానించేంత వాటమా కానీ సివిల్ సొసైటీ సైనించమని గుర్తించడం మన బాధ్యత, మై ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఒక మహా వ్యక్తి, ocean of knowledge, I can say. Thank you so much. It's wonderful applause. ప్రొఫెసర్ రాధాకృష్ణ గారిని స్పందించాల్సిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తాను.
The organization is doing a very noble cause, and I hope others also adopt this practice. Thank you.